Good afternoon, Emily. You mentioned you were looking for something for motion sickness? Are you experiencing nausea, perhaps with a sensation of dizziness or even cold sweats? Sometimes people also describe a general feeling of unease or even increased salivation before it really hits. It can be quite debilitating, especially on long journeys. Have you noticed if certain types of travel, like car versus boat, affect you differently?
Yes, Mihira, it's mostly car journeys, especially on winding roads. I get that queasy feeling in my stomach, and then the dizziness starts. It's awful. I've tried ginger biscuits before, which helped a little with the initial nausea, but not so much with the spinning sensation. My mother swears by those wristbands, but I haven't found them particularly effective.
Right. So for car travel specifically, especially on those winding routes, an antihistamine-based medication like cinnarizine can often be beneficial. It works by interfering with the signals in the brain that contribute to that feeling of disorientation and sickness. However, it can cause drowsiness, so it's best taken when you're not the one driving. Another option, hyoscine hydrobromide, is also effective but can have more pronounced anticholinergic side effects like dry mouth and blurred vision, so it's usually reserved for more severe cases and short journeys.
Drowsiness might be manageable if I take it before a long journey where I'm just a passenger. So Mihira, you think something that acts on those brain signals would be more effective for the dizziness than the ginger or the wristbands?
Based on your description, particularly the dizziness associated with car travel, yes. While ginger can soothe the stomach and acupressure might work for some, an antihistamine targets the underlying mechanism causing that specific type of motion-induced vertigo more directly.
It is completely natural to feel a sense of unease while waiting for answers regarding your health, MIHIRAA, but please know that we are here to support you through every step of this process. Regarding the skin lesion we discussed, the next essential step is to perform a biopsy. This is a standard procedure where a small sample of tissue is taken and sent to a laboratory for detailed analysis under a microscope. At this stage, I cannot provide a definitive diagnosis or a specific prognosis, as we must wait for the pathology results to give us a clear and accurate picture of what is happening. The laboratory analysis typically takes between 1 to 2 weeks to be completed. Once the results are ready, you will have a follow-up appointment with a specialist dermatologist. They are the experts who will review the findings in detail with you and, based on that definitive information, decide on the most appropriate treatment plan tailored specifically to your needs. In the meantime, please continue with your current pneumonia treatment and remember to keep your ear dry and protected as we discussed. We will see you again in 5 to 7 days to monitor your recovery.